Scrambled egg recipes. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Prosciutto Portobello baked eggs. Ingredients: 1 portobello mushroom caps, 4 to 5 inches in diameter, stems removed, and gills scraped. 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, grated or shredded, optional. 1 eggs, large. 2 prosciutto, sliced. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon more or less to taste. Pepper sprinkles. 6 leaves of baby spinach or baby kale fresh, stems removed, or green onions, thinly sliced, 4 to 6 leaves. Half of a green onion and diced. Cooking spray. Portobello mushroom caps, gills removed. Olive or another vegetable oil, salt and pepper. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Prepare a rimmed baking sheet with tin foil and a rack lightly coated in cooking spray. Set aside. Wash and wipe the portobello mushroom caps with a damp paper towel to remove any dirt. Using a spoon, scrape out and remove the gills from the underside of the mushroom caps so there is as much room as possible for the egg. Brush the outside of the mushroom cap with olive oil and place on your prepared baking sheet. Place your leaves or green onions, if using, on top of the scraped outside of your mushroom. Press your prosciutto slices on top and up to the edges of the mushroom cap. You want to create a stronger edge to the mushroom to hold the egg inside and on top of the cap. Crack your egg and place it on top of the prosciutto. Sprinkle with pepper and Parmesan cheese. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes depending how cooked you like your eggs and how thick your mushroom cap is. Serve and enjoy. Using a spoon, scrape out and remove the gills from the underside of the mushroom caps. Adjust your oven racks to upper middle and lower middle positions. You will be using both racks. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees. Combine the oil, salt, and pepper in a large resealable bag. Adjust until blended. Add the mushrooms. Adjust the mushrooms until coated and allow to sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, but preferably an hour. Prepare a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. Place your mushroom gills side down on top of your parchment paper. Bake on the lower rack until tender for about 20 minutes. Flip the mushrooms gill side up. Carefully stuff each mushroom with filling as evenly as possible. Both your pan and mushrooms will be hot. Bake on the upper rack until stuffing is a nice golden brown color between 3 to 5 minutes. Serve and enjoy every bite. Number 2. Scrambled eggs with Tomatillo Salsa. Ingredients: 1 pound of tomatoes, half a cup of white onion chopped, half a cup of cilantro leaves chopped, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 jalapeno peppers chopped, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of olive oil, and 4 eggs. Instructions: remove husks from tomatillos and rinse well. Coat the bottom of a skillet with a little vegetable oil. Heat on high heat. Place the tomatillos into the pan and sear on one side, then flip over and brown on the other side. Remove from heat. Place the cooked tomatillos, onions, cilantro, lime juice, and jalapeno in a blender or food processor and pulse until all ingredients are coarsely chopped and mixed. Crack the eggs in a bowl and whisk. Add oil to the skillet that cooked tomatillos, then add eggs. Move periodically with wooden spoon or spatula until consistency you like is achieved. Serve eggs topped with salsa. Number 3. Tiny scrambled eggs and bacon. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of beaten egg, 2 large-in-sized pieces of bacon. Steps: in a small skillet, melt the butter, add the egg to the skillet and scramble, transfer to a plate. In the same skillet, cook the bacon until crispy. Enjoy! Number 4. Super easy scrambled eggs. Ingredients: 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of butter, a splash of milk, optional, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: break the eggs and add a splash of milk and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk until the mixture is frothy. Melt the butter over medium-high heat and spread it around the pan. When butter is melted, add in your egg mixture. Continue to stir as the eggs cook and cook to your likeness. If you like them runny, it should take about 60 seconds. Serve and enjoy immediately.